Hello friends, welcome. In today's video, I will discuss about differ keyword in the Golang. Friends, basically there are 3 points which are very important related to differ keyword. The first point is differ keyword wait for the surrounding functions to complete. It means suppose uh, we have a function which takes an argument as a string. So let us name the function as echo str, then message string. Now it will print the string. So if we call this echo str, or let us name this as message 1 and then str for message 2. Now if we run this program, go run main.go, then message 1 will be printed first and then message 2 will be printed first. But if we make this echo str first echo str as differ function, to make this it as a differ function, we can simply use this differ keyword. Then this message 2 will be printed first and then message 1 will be printed. So here as we can see that message 2 has been printed first, then message 1. So basically it waits for the surrounding function to complete. Here one thing is very important to notice, that surrounding means functional block. It means if we put this differ keyword in any if block, then it will wait not only for the functions available in that if block, but also it will wait for all the functions available in the functional block, current functional block. So suppose if we have if block, if 2 is greater than 1, then differ str message 3. So if we run this program, we can see that message 3 has been printed first as expected, then message 2 has been printed. It means this echo str waits for this message to echo str also. So we can say that this differ function waits for the all the functions available in this current functional block, which is the main functional block. But if we put this in another function, so suppose if we want to put this in this echo str function, so in that case differ fmt dot println last. So this time if we call this echo str, so let us run this, go run main.go. We can see that message 3 has been printed first, then last has been printed. It means this time it does not wait for this message to print. So basically every time when we call this echo str, last will be printed. So again, if we want to make it more clear, so in fmt dot println, again if we run this program, so this time again we can see that message 2 has been printed first from here, and then last has been printed, and then first has been printed. So this time this differ function is available in this functional block, so it will wait for the functions available only in this functional block. It will not wait for the any parent functional block. So we can say that defer function waits for the surrounding function. It means it will wait for all the functions present in the current functional block to complete. So this is the first point. Second point is that defer function does not wait for the functions present in the other go routine to complete. What does it mean? Let us see now by an example. If we first of all, let us remove this. If we call it with a defer keyword, then let us call a simple echo str with a message 1, and then let us call another echo str on the other go routine, message 3. Now if we run this, we can see that message 1 has been printed, then message 2 has been printed. This time this echo str does not wait for this echo str with message 3 to complete, because it is present on the other go routine. So this is the second point. Now the third point is that defer functions execute in the LIFO order. It means if we have more than one defer function, then what will be the order of the execution? In that case, the order of execution will be the LIFO. It means the function which will be called in the last will be executed first. So let us see with an example. Defer echo str with message 1. If we run this, we can see that message 1 has been printed first, because this second, or we can say that last echo str has been executed here first, and then message 2 has been printed, which means the echo str which was called first executed at the end or at the last. So this way we can see that defer functions are executed in the LIFO order. So that's all for this video. I think this video will be helpful for you. Thanks.